Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. And today I'm very excited to announce this new video series on training your own machine learning models without knowing any of the detailed of machine learning algorithms. So you can literally train your custom model using this new service that Apple has partnered with. It's the partnership between IBM Watson and Apple to launch Core ML into IBM Watson. So basically, what this provides is this gives us an opportunity as a developer to not only create our custom models, but create our custom models with ease while not digging too much into the algorithms and learning about machine learning and stuff. So it's always great to have that knowledge, but if let's say you don't want to, if you don't feel like jumping right in machine learning world right now and learning all the theoretical part, well, this is the practical aspect of it. So what you can do is you can simply go and register with IBM Watson and start using it right away. And this video series, I'm actually putting it together so we can see how easy it is for you to create your own custom image analysis and image classification, which is the most complex machine learning algorithm to do basically simple or complex classifications on images. So Watson uses convolutional neural net, which is one of the known neural network based algorithm for image classification. That's what it uses, and that's what we are going to use without really looking into what convolutional neural network is, or without touching any of the code, and we're gonna do it using IBM Watson's service. So in this series, we're gonna look all the way from creating, downloading your own images to loading them up on IBM Watson, to training them, and then creating a custom app and basically put that trained model in use. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So let's get enrolled into this course, and I will see you right in the course, and we'll create some really cool apps with this new service in place. All right, thanks, and I'll see you guys in the course.